Brussels as a region, it's called Brussels Capital Region, is in the forefront today, or wants to be in the forefront of circular economy and the transition that cities have to do to propose a new way of living, a new way of consuming. BIGH is for building integrated greenhouses, but BIGH is also, for me, it's a big change. It's a big change because what I really would like to develop here is a way of producing food in an economically sustainable way in urban agriculture. At Abattoir Farm, for more than a year now, we've been producing excellent cherry tomatoes. Probably the most fantastic part of BIGH Farm is our striped bass, which is a sea fish which is raised in soft water. We produce aromatic herbs. The aromatic herbs from basil to parsley to coriander. At Abattoir Farm, we went for aquaponics, and this has a number of reasons. Aquaponics is a way of producing all year long. We are working with a 2,000 square meter greenhouse in which we mix both plants and fish. The fish waste actually, through a biofilter, transforms ammonium into nitrite and then nitrates, which is absorbed then by the plants. We also consume hundreds of times less water than in the equivalent production elsewhere. By combining it also, we make sure that the system itself cannot suffer the use of any antibiotics or pesticides in the greenhouse. In the greenhouse we use insects, we use acarians, we use bumblebees for fertilization and for pollinization. At BIGH we're very proud of what we do, and we really want to show it. We would welcome you to visit us, and we organize training visits, cooking classes, we organize events, corporate events also, and you will find the programs we organize on our website, which is www.bigh.farm.